Planogram Builder Tutorial 8 – Exporting the database. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to export the database to your computer. Exporting the database creates local backups of your data, which you can restore if necessary. So we strongly advise exporting your database on a regular basis. The exported database can also serve as a basis for batch importing items in the database. There are two commands to export the database. The export_l command exports the list of all your products, shelf tools, and materials, including their properties. The export_l+i command does the same and also exports all the images used by your items in the same format as they were originally uploaded. To create a full export, click on the export_l+i button. Select an empty folder in which to save the files and type a file name for the list of products. Click on the Save button. The first file to be exported is the listing of items, which is very fast to download, then the images, which can take a while. Wait for all the files to be downloaded onto your computer. Open Windows File Explorer and reach the folder where you saved the images. You can see the Excel file plus a new folder named Images that has been automatically created to place your pictures. Now, open the Excel file. Each line contains one item with all its properties, such as reference, name, behavior, etc. Make sure to keep the Excel file and the images in case you need to restore your database later. This tutorial is now finished. Thank you for watching.